Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by making one backup copy so you can recover if needed. Open the target file in an editor with find/replace support. That ensures precision and speed. Identify the exact word to change, including capitalization and punctuation, because matching matters. Once done, set search options like whole word and case sensitive so replacements don't break similar words. Make sure to pause and review the first few matches visually before committing to a global replace. You now move through the middle steps, preview and refine. Use the editor's find feature to jump to each occurrence. Preview the context so you understand the effect. If contexts vary, replace selectively to avoid grammatical or semantic errors. If the change is uniform, choose Replace All, but only after a visual scan. For code or structured files, you should run tests or linting now to catch syntax or reference issues caused by renaming. You finish by saving a new version or committing changes to version control so you have a clear checkpoint. Then, run a final search for the original word to catch missed forms like plurals or possessives. Correct them manually. Once verified, run any relevant validations or preview the document to ensure flow. If something goes wrong, restore the backup or revert the commit immediately, then diagnose differences to apply a safer, more granular replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.